Hello you all, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Josie. This is going to be a vlog, but it's going to be a productive vlog. I'm trying out a new recipe. We have some like organizing and cleaning type stuff to do since we moved the living room around. And then I want to finalize the boo baskets. So we're gonna do that together today too. So it should be a really fun, productive vlog. I'm excited. If you like vlogs like these, I would love if you would consider subscribing. It is free, it just helps me grow. I'm inching my way up to 1,000 subscribers. So I would love to have you join over here. But first things first, we're gonna just organize and clean up some stuff just so I have like a clean surface to start with. So let's get into that. So I have some things in this, it's like vases and things like that. Don't mind this, it's going out today. But I want to put them up here, just like up here. We didn't paint inside of here yet. You always just did the outside, so I still need to paint the inside of here, but it was like super messy. So after we decluttered everything, I was like, okay, I feel better about like taking this stuff out and repainting and putting it back in. But the vases and things, I'm just going to put like back behind these because there's nothing behind these little bins. So I can make some room to put John's like gardening stuff in this little one where the vases were. Okay, that project is finished. And you know what I was just thinking about when I was doing that? If you all went with me to the Dollar Tree shopping vlog where we baked the cookies, the sponsored video, I was at Dollar Tree and I was like, where can I put that wallpaper that I found there? What if I put that wallpaper in the laundry room instead of like painting it white? That'd be fun. So we might do that together in another video coming up. I loved that wallpaper, and the blue really, really matches our counters, our kitchen cabinets, I mean. So I might do that. Now I want to clean up this area. This needs to go in the trash. It's just one piece of banana bread that we didn't finish. It turned out okay, but you all gave me a lot of suggestions in the comments, so I am going to make another banana bread soon. And then we just have dishes to do, and that's a return that needs to go back to Walmart. So I'm just going to put it like by the door so that John and I can do that today when we take this. Would you keep it up? Oh, just a little bit longer, baby. Just a little bit longer, baby. Just a little bit longer, baby. Day after day, I want to give my love to you. Oh, night after night, don't let me go. You spin me around, I could do this every day. 'Cause I feel so high in love. Feeling much better about the status of the kitchen now. So I have to clean up this little area right here. Let me show you. First off, I need to give my plant a little bit of watering. We brought it inside, we had it outside, but since the weather is changing, we're gonna try to just keep it alive inside and then put it back out when it gets warmer. But I also need to clean down here. It probably, yeah, there you go, you could tell. Bunch of Emery's hairs from when her cage used to be here. So we need to clean this up as well. When it's dark, when I feel like I'm done, just one look at your face and your smile takes me home. You are my Alrighty, our last cleanup thing to do is just to vacuum around the whole house. When we moved the furniture around, we did all the deep cleaning, like really scrubbing where we had not scrubbed in a long time because furniture was there and things like that. So I'm just gonna do a quick vacuum throughout the house. Feeling much better now that the house is clean. Now I need to work on this. When I moved some things down in our cabinets, I realized that this broke. It should be an easy fix though. We do have some Gorilla Glue, so oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to just glue it back and then just set it up and let it dry and see what it does. So let's do that.
Just a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Ooh. Just a little bit. You are my sunshine.
I'm gonna set this on here to weigh it down. Hopefully that will help. Should it be something heavier? I don't know. Let's try that. So Lacey and I are exchanging boo baskets today. So I wanted to, for anybody that's new here, just go over again what is going to be in hers. And then I'm going to do like a before and after of me setting it up because I'm going to film a TikTok. So I'll show that as well. Okay, so here's an overview of everything in her basket. I love this little card. I do still need to fill this out. And then I got her this warm apple pie candle. She loves Reese's, so I got her the pumpkin ones. I made her this cup from my business. I love it. I think she's going to like it too when she sees it in person. I got these from Five Below, and I just think they're so freaking cute. And then I got this from Dollar Tree. She likes this one specifically, so I really can only find it at a specific Dollar Tree. So I got her one of those. And this is filler, this is filler, this is filler. But these are just like little notepads. I thought, I don't know, like she could write little to-do things or a small grocery list or something on these. And then this is a filler as well, but like it just completes everything. He's so cute. These are some pajama pants from Walmart, the Joy Spun brand. This I found at Dollar Tree. She recently moved, and so this is not like very spooky, right? But I think she's going to like it for like the winter season as it's getting colder. So yeah, that's everything. Let's put it together. Here is the after. I think it looks so good. I followed a lot of your advice and just left the tissue paper kind of hanging like around the back instead of having it like up at the front. One of you cracked me up. You were like, kind of looks like Easter grass. I was like, you know what? You're not wrong. So I love the way that it turned out. I think it looks really good and I'm excited to show her. It's the next morning. Look how this is glistening in the sun. It's still pretty early, but I let this sit overnight. I had it sitting up like this and I had a book on top of it for weight. It's totally good now, so I'm glad that that worked out. Lacey and I did end up exchanging boo baskets yesterday, so I wanted to show you what she got me. First of all, she drew this on this. I think that is so cute. She did such a good job. And then she got me this candle. It's a ghost. It smells so good. Even not being lit, like it's gonna smell my entire house. And then we are definitely Olipop girlies, so she got me an apple one. And then 2 pairs of these cute little socks. And she knows I love Kit Kats. And then she got me this little sweater cardigan. Let me pull it out and show you. Here it is, a little long sleeve like sweater cardigan. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna wear it on Halloween for sure. But even in like the upcoming days, if it's cool enough, I'm gonna wear it because it's just so cute. Look at the little ghosts. We love a good theme. Thank you, Lacey. So I didn't end up vlogging much more yesterday evening because once John got home, we had to like quickly get the dresser loaded up. So we took that off. That's not here anymore. But we didn't go return the, it was just like a little dash kit that he had bought. So it wasn't the right size. So we needed to return that. And then Nathan went through some of his clothes and we did like a pretty deep clean of his room while we were like decluttering and organizing everything else. So I have a box of or actually several bags of clothes that need to go to Goodwill, and I haven't done that yet either. So I think probably an errands vlog will be coming up pretty soon. A little bit of the portion of the next vlog anyway will probably be running some errands. And I do want to return that blue dress. I'm so glad that a lot of you, in the last video I did a Bloom Chic haul if you're new here, and I'm so glad that a lot of you agreed with me. The first top was definitely a hit. The fourth dress was so good. Some of you liked the second top, some of you didn't say much about it, but we were kind of all in agreement that that blue dress just wasn't it for me personally. So I am going to return that, so we'll do that soon. But yeah, that pretty much catches you like up to where we are today. And so I want to end this video doing the taco soup recipe because I think it's going to be really good. Okay, so here's all the ingredients you're going to need for the taco soup. Oh, aside from the little tortilla like scoops that I got, but I'll show you those. But I will link the recipe that I got this from. It's just called like Easy Taco Soup. It's very similar, I noticed, to my chili recipe, but the seasonings are a little different. And we're using Rotel instead of just regular diced tomatoes. But otherwise, it's really similar. So all you're going to need is onion, as much as you'd like. The recipe didn't call for onion, but I'm going to put onion because we love onions. And then 2 cans of kidney beans, 2 cans of Rotel, some garlic. It calls for ground beef, but we use ground turkey. A little bit of beef broth, taco seasoning kit, ranch seasoning, and then just my normal salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder seasonings. First things first, we're going to dice up some of this onion to put in with garlic. And I'm just using my one big chili pot for this. It's a 1-pot recipe, so we love that as well. So I used about half of the onions in with the garlic to get them cooked and translucent before adding the ground turkey. But I'm also going to put this other like half of half, this is the other half I'm not going to use, in as well, like towards the end. So just stirring this up. This is already starting to become a little bit translucent and fragrant. So I'll give it like 30 more seconds and then we'll add in the ground turkey. All right, ground turkey going in, and then I'm gonna season with my salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Okay, ground turkey is all cooked. So I'm gonna add in the 2 cans of beans and the 2 cans of Rotel now. Just gonna give this a little mix, and then we're gonna add the seasoning packets, a little bit more of our own seasoning, and then a little bit of beef broth. Okay, so the recipe actually says to add 2 like waters of these, but I don't want to do that because I don't want it to be like watery, plus I want it to have a little bit of more flavor. So I'm just going to do a little bit of beef broth just until I feel like it's at a good, like, you know, it'll be more of a soupy consistency. That seems pretty good to me. So, I don't know, maybe that was like a cup. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's perfect. And then we're just going to let this simmer for like, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes. Obviously, you could do this in the crock pot and do it like all day. That would be really good. But for us tonight, we're just going to let it simmer for 40 minutes, I would say. Also, I decided to save this just to have on top because there's a pretty decent amount of onions in here, so I didn't want it to be like super overpowering. So I'm just saving these for the top. I also wanted to mention that I did not use all of that ranch packet. I just thought it was a little bit too much, so I would say I used like about 3/4 of it. I might have left like this much in the packet, but I just wanted to say that in case you follow like my recipe exactly and you don't follow the one that's on the Pinterest. Okay, this has been simmering for, I would say, about 40 minutes now. It looks pretty good. Honestly, it just looks like our chili. So we'll see how it tastes. All right, you all, it wouldn't be a true cooking without a taste test from John, you know? It's good. And these are the corn dippers, oops, that we have to dip it in. They're just like Great Value brand Tostitos scoops. A little spicy, huh?
A little bit of a kick. It was good.
Cool. Rating out of 10?
You're 8.5 right now.
8.5. Okay, we'll check in at the end.
At the end of it.
Good morning, you all. Happy Halloween. This video is actually going to go up tomorrow instead of my normal Thursday day because I figured a lot of you would be really busy. And then I wanted to include Callie's boo basket in this as well. But I'm wearing my little ghost cardigan that Lacey got me, even though the high is 76 degrees today. So it's probably going to be off in no time at all. But for the moment, it looks cute, right? You and I are going to run some errands, though. We're going to drop this return off at the post office. We're going to take some clothes to Goodwill, and then I'm going to meet up with my mom in a little bit, and she's going to give her contribution to Callie's boo basket, and then we'll put it all together at her work. We're going to go pick her up from school and give it to her. So that's kind of what we have planned today. In the midst of all this, I'm going to be working when I can. Thursdays are really slow, so we'll just see how it goes, but I want to get this stuff dropped off first at Goodwill because I cannot work until this is dropped off. So we got the bags dropped off at Goodwill, but before we did that, I got a pretty decent order, so I wanted to take it. And so I was like throwing all of the stuff in the trunk in the back seat so that I could do that order, but it's taken care of now. So we're gonna go to the post office, and then we're gonna head to my mom's job in just a little bit. So I'm at my mom's job now, and I'm gonna put Callie's basket together, but I wanted to show you all what is in hers, like for the final, because you know I was telling you all mom is contributing as well. So I gave her my little makeup bag, and then she came to the house the other day and she was like, this is so cute. I was gonna do the notebook, but I figured I'll just do this one for her, and then I'll do the notebook for Christmas. And then she got these socks, so cute. And then these are the fillers that I was showing you all. I got her this Halloween pasta from Aldi. It's so cute. It's got like pumpkins and bats and spiders. Very adorable. And then this candle is a pomegranate apple teeny. It smells really good. And my mom actually got her the same pajamas that I was telling you all about in like a couple of vlogs ago. They're so cozy, so I know she's gonna love them. And then she got her the gift card. This is another little filler. And then here's her card. So cute. Righty, here is Callie's finished basket. I think it looks so cute. I'm so glad that both of these turned out really good. So maybe if she'll let me, I'll record her reaction when I give it to her later. I'm back home now, you all kind of throughout the day. I've not been feeling like the greatest, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. John got a little candy dish for us to put our candies in, and he picked up some candy for the trick-or-treaters tonight. In the past, we haven't gotten any, but sometimes we do, so we will see if we get any tonight. But yeah, that's gonna do it. You want to say Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween, y'all.
Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. There's a little bit of everything in there like we usually do. But happy Halloween. I hope you had a good one. I hope you stayed safe, and I will catch you in the next one.